Hi dear friends, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have a news, and our news is about healthy HIV patient. Healthy HIV patient. For the second time in history, scientists believe that they have cured a patient of HIV. The key to this possible cure is a gene known as CCR5. Some people have a mutation of this gene that is resistant to HIV. The patient, who is known to come from London, had HIV and a rare form of blood cancer. He got a stem cell transplant to treat the cancer from a donor who has the HIV resistance from the gene. The transplant helped treat both the cancer and the HIV. The patient has been in HIV remission for 30 months. The success of the treatment is groundbreaking. However, scientists warn that the gene treatment should only be used as the last option for patients who also have blood cancer. This is the end of our news for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next lesson. Bye.